back to the Carpenters Apprentice. Today we're here at Mas Chingon Mexican Street Kitchen with Alfonso Acosta and the gentleman super busy. Look behind us. I mean, he's a super busy cat. So we're going to chill. We're going to wait out for the interview. Then we're going to talk to him, bring you guys some awesome reporting. Man, no bullshit, you guys. We couldn't even do this part of the thing because I wanted to eat more of this chingon quesadilla. Then we had to keep stopping and waiting because I kept having food in my mouth and we were ready to start. That's how good this shit is. Look, I tell you the honest truth here. The meat, delicious. It tastes like super good, marinated, you know, not like any others that I've had. These guys put a unique twist on things and we're damn excited to be here. Welcome back to the Carpenter's Apprentice. Today we're here at
Mas Chingon Mexican Street Kitchen.
Hey, and sir, can you introduce yourself to the people?
Alfonso Acosta, and I am the proud owner of the Mexican Street Kitchen.
Man, it's so great to see you guys out here. I see that you guys have vegan taco options. Why did you guys decide to do that?
Actually, it was a concert, man. We got a concert, Sunken Gardens, and they hit me with the bomb. Told me that out of the certain number I was going to get, more than half of them were going to be vegan, so we ended up doing the whole vegan option, and yeah, it was good.
Man,
it's stuck on the menu because it's good.
Yeah, it is good. Can you tell us more about your business?
We started about a year and a month ago, man. On June 13th, we kicked off our first taco, and ever since then, man, we've been blessed, truly blessed. There's good days, bad days, slow days, but there's way more.
But this guy's here every damn day.
Yes, sir. We try to work. I'm not going to sit on the money, man, so we try to work every chance we get, and slowly but surely, when we've been getting our name out there, and people are hearing about us.
And what gave you that push to make that first taco?
Actually, it was my girlfriend, Michelle. She's the one that gave me the push. She's the one that believed in me. She's the one that pushed me, man, and I think without her, I wouldn't be where I'm at, and I mean, for sure, I wouldn't be where I'm at. And my family, with us, the support. I know all my friends, high school friends, childhood friends, they all came out and supported what I do, and they keep coming back. They keep referring me to people. So, I mean, starting with the show, my family, my friends, and I mean, it's Gibble. I mean, I don't forget about you. Yeah.
And so, were you nervous?
Actually, I can't say nervous. I just didn't want to. I didn't want to fail, man. I didn't want to say, or I didn't want people to tell me, oh, he used to do that, or he tried that. No, I didn't want that. I wanted to succeed. I wanted to do that. And I mean, we're here and we're still kicking.
What made you take that leap? Because you said, I mean, you knew what the risks were. You knew that humiliation was definitely a risk and that failure was probably a risk. So why'd you do it anyways?
I don't know, man. I just thought that, I mean, this was something that, an opportunity a lot of us don't get. I mean, like I told you, I mean, I came from working at Toyota, and all I needed was that little push. And after that push, I mean, everything was gravy from then.
Now, so you had previously told me a story about Toyota and how when you transitioned out of that job, kind of unknowingly.
Yeah, I mean, it's night and day. I mean, your 2-week paycheck is not there anymore. Your paid vacations are not there anymore. But this job is satisfying, and I'm with my family a whole lot more. We make our own hours, and if you don't want to work, we don't work. But I mean, at the same time, we're not gonna make money. You know what I'm saying? So,
what would you tell other people who want to do something like this?
Take the leap, man. Take the leap. It's scary. It's something. Everybody tells you the same thing, man. And it's, keep on keeping on, and don't give up. And it's very hard not to give up. It's very hard to keep going sometimes when things don't, come out the way you want them. I mean, there's people that want to make money day one, and it's not gonna be that way. you know. So I mean, it's gonna be hard. Take the leap, and I mean, just believe in yourself, man.
During those tough days, what is your motivation to keep moving forward?
My family, man.
That's everything.
Yeah,
that's what
my family is everything. It's you know, sometimes to go home and feel like you felt that day. You can't get stuck on it, man. You can't. And my girlfriend, my mom, and my sister have always showed me that to keep on trucking, man. And I mean, you got to for
Do
your
you feel
family.
proud of yourself as a father?
As a father, yes. Yes, and
Like to show them this example of you taking things by your own bootstraps and pulling yourself, you know.
yeah, I mean, it's satisfying, man. And but I know there's a whole lot more work to go, a lot more road to travel, and I mean, we're gonna keep getting bigger. I mean, that's my vision, and I know sometimes it's hard to keep seeing that, but I mean, you just got to keep going, man.
That sounds so badass that you guys are building a family empire. We hope to do the same too, so it'll be nice to see you come up. How can folks get a hold of you?
We got our personal phone number, 210-505-5000. We got a Facebook page. You can find us on Facebook, on Instagram. Both of the tags are El Mas Chingon MSK, Mexican Street Kitchen. So, yeah.
And before we go, there's one thing that I definitely want to brag on, brother. I heard recently from a little birdie, aka MySA, that you guys are the best. How would you call it?
We got nominated. People voted, and we won best food truck, #1 food truck in San Antonio.
#1, baby. And where are you from?
I am originally from Oceanside, California. I'm far from home, but San Antonio and Texas is my home. My heart's in Cali, but I try to bring what is in Cali here with some of my dishes and some of my, I mean, the work ethic and just the personality that because you don't get that sometimes here. I'm not gonna say it's everywhere, but people aren't as courteous sometimes when you approach them, and I try to do that every single day. Somebody tries to knock you down, you reset on the next person, man.
I'm so glad that San Antonio is a place of opportunity for everybody. Hearing that you're not from the state is kind of cool because it reminds me of an old quote from Texas. That's right, you're not from Texas, but Texas wants your ass anyways. Sir, it's been great to have you here. And for you guys, we'll see you next time.